Hi everyone, it's Caroline and today we're gonna talk about the adjustable dumbbell from Brain Gain, the 41.5 Pro model. Let's go. Those dumbbells go from 4 to 41.5 kg, which is from 9 to 91 pounds. So are they worth it? Let's find out together. When you get them, they arrive in several boxes, well protected. 2 boxes with the base and the dumbbell and 2 boxes with the extra weight. And right away, you can see they are super solid. The dimension of the dumbbell along at the maximum weight is 44 centimeters long by 19.5 centimeters wide and high, which is 17.3 inches long by 7.7 inches wide and high. And with the base, it's 50 centimeters long by 23.5 centimeters wide and 21.5 centimeters high, with a 13 centimeters long handle. Pretty compact when you think that one pair replaces around 50 fixed dumbbells. This is where it gets awesome. With a simple twist of the handle, you can switch from 4 kg to 41.5 kg with a 1.5 kg increment, which is about 3.3 pounds. It takes literally 1 second, so it's perfect for drop set or if you are training at home with a partner who is not on the same level. And honestly, it's super useful for personal trainer too, because you can adapt very quickly to different clients' levels. One big plus, the dumbbell lets you change the weight only when the dumbbell is back on its base. That means zero risk of plate falling off mid-exercise. Small downside here, the base is made of solid plastic. So you need to place the dumbbell down carefully if you want them to last. In terms of design, you can get them in chrome like that or even in black. And the handle comes in 2 sizes, 34 millimeters like this one or 37 millimeters, which is equal to 1.4 inches or 1.45 inches. I got the 34 option here, and honestly it makes a big difference depending on your hand size and comfort. The handle is ergonomic with precise knuckling, so it doesn't slip even when your hands start to be sweaty. And a smart detail here, the lighter the weight you select, the shorter the dumbbell becomes, making movement more stable. So that's a big difference compared to other adjustable dumbbell where the length stays the same. With such a big weight range, you can literally do everything like squat, deadlift, bench press, hip thrust, lunges, overhead crunch, even working your abs, and so much more. It's a true solution all in one for training at home. And since the adjustment is so quick, your workout is so much smoother. Brain Gain really went all in terms of durability. They are made of industrial chrome, so way stronger than plastic and cheaper than metal version. But let's be honest, there are few downsides. Like all adjustable dumbbells, don't drop them on the floor after your set. This can damage the mechanism. They are not made for outdoor training, so avoid training under the rain or storing them in a drained place. And at maximal load, the weight can move slightly from right to left on twisting move. It's nothing too bad, but worth mentioning. On the positive side, they are rust resistant and built to last. So who are they for? Those adjustable dumbbells are perfect for anyone who wants compact, versatile gym home, people who want to progress with a huge weight range up to 41.5 kg, which is 83 kg with 2 dumbbells, couple or friends training together with a different fitness levels, and even for personal trainer because they are so practical to adapt to each client. To summarize, for me, those adjustable dumbbells from Brain Gain are worth it. Yes, they are an advancement, but with the space saving, the speed and the durability, they are totally worth the price. And the good news is Brain Gain is offering you a super discount. You will find the link and the code in the description below. In the meantime, if you have any question regarding those dumbbells or any other dumbbells, please ask me in the comment below. I will be more than happy to reply. That's it for me. I will see you soon. Ciao.